All right, so here we are at our home garden. I'm here with my son Finnegan, and say hi.
Hi.
And we're gonna do a little experiment here. I bring home things from work a lot and ask him what he thinks they do and what they are. So today, I brought home what Finnegan said was a plant, and these are the berry from the tree. It's a native tree, subtropical hammock tree called a soapberry. And so these are just ready and ripe to pick because you can kind of feel them. And when you pick them and you squeeze them a little bit with your fingernail, they're a little sticky and gummy. Finn, what do they smell like?
Honey.
They smell kind of like honey, I guess. So what we've done is we've smashed them up a little bit and we put them in a little ball jar. And we let them soak a little bit so they get a kind of soft. And then what we're going to do is put them in our hands. And I'm going to show you why this is especially important during the situation we're in right now with the COVID virus. Everybody knows that it's very important to wash your hands at this time of the year. So let's put some water in there. All right, we get some water in our hands. And if you do this, I think you'll be impressed.
That smells bad. Soap? What?
Can everyone see that?
Soap?
Sounds good.
What a rich lather.
Ew, that smells kind of bad.
Now, if we need to shave a little bit, anyway, you got to keep your hands clean.
No.
Soapberry fresh.
No.
Rinse them off, and you're safe to go about your day. And,
Really? No.
that's it. So we'll bring some more videos to you. Just wanted everyone to know the Florida native soapberry. And
Come on.
see you next time.